The Happy Smiles project is a 12-week project that we'll be running in school, all about health and well-being and promoting health and well-being within the children in school.
Well, fortunately, by working with our partners at Wigan and getting involved with the Community Foundation, we've been able to use our Make It Happen initiative to really come and try and have an impact on children who are experiencing poverty on a daily basis and who are dealing with the lasting effects of the COVID pandemic.
Yeah, obviously invited us down with the foundation today to just get involved in a little bit of a PE lesson that had sort of a bit of background that's transferred across to the classroom, talking about your feelings and things like that, and it was promoting sort of that good mental health, and the kids that way through the lesson was pulled off to the side to write how they were feeling in the session, and there was some good things coming from it, so it's all good.
Wigan have been a fantastic partner with us over a number of years really, and recently, particularly post-COVID, they've done quite a lot of work with us. They've helped us with a summer school to make sure that children have some appropriate activities to do and some well-being as well. And this extension of that is really valuable to us in regards to the well-being of children, links perfectly with our curriculum in regards to personal social health education, and also the physical capabilities of the children and developing their well-being physically and mentally. We really appreciate the fact that the children get these added benefits which make life an added value.
It's immeasurable. I mean, when you see youngsters who, through no fault of their own, have been put into a situation where they're struggling. There's a global pandemic that's affected us all, but it's affected some of the poorest communities the hardest. So to come in and be able to do anything to improve their quality of life, to improve their school experience, their educational experience, and just help them have a better opportunity is just the most rewarding thing you can do.